in Bihar and Assam and all states, they are given only for quintal 1500, 1600 rupees.
So MSP.
MSP.
MSP
But
the
central government announced 20.
Want to all these agriculture marketing activity to hand over in the hands of corporates.
in the hands of corporate. Okay.
That we strongly resist because now new agro business corporations has emerged as class enemies of the farmers.
Okay.
So the
पूर्वी चंपारण मोतिहारी में बिहार राज्य किसान सभा का आयोजन हुआ। इसका मेन एजेंडा क्या है? आपका नाम सर एक बार बता देंगे।
अखिल भारतीय किसान सभा, जिसे स्वामी सहजानंद सरस्वती ने 11 अप्रैल 1936 में पूरे देश में कायम किया
जी।
और उसके पहले उन्होंने पश्चिम बिहार प्रदेश किसान सभा और बिहार प्रदेश किसान सभा का गठन किया
जी।
तो इसलिए अभी हमारा 35वां बिहार प्रदेश सम्मेलन
जी
किसान सभा का यहाँ पर मोतिहारी में हो रहा है।
जी।
जो मोतिहारी है चंपारण का इलाका है, जहाँ के किसानों ने अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ, जुल्म के खिलाफ बगावत की। महात्मा गांधी जी भी इसी आंदोलन में शरीक होने के लिए आए थे और ये शुरू हो रहा है कॉमरेड पीताम्बर सिंह, जिनकी 38वीं स्मृति दिन के ऊपर ये शुरू हो रहा है। हमारे देश के और राज्य के किसानों के सामने जो चुनौतियां है, जो सरकार की किसानों के साथ
तो कौन सा सर आपको चुनौती लग रहा है? कौन सा नीति जो लग रहा है?
सबसे पहले केंद्र सरकार जो है किसानों के ऊपर न्यू एग्रीकल्चरल पॉलिसी फ्रेमवर्क ड्राफ्ट जो है वो थोपा जा रहा है।
अच्छा, न्यू एग्रीकल्चर पॉलिसी,
मार्केटिंग पॉलिसी,
ये फर्स्ट एजेंडा जो है,
न्यू पॉलिसी फ्रेमवर्क फॉर एग्रीकल्चर मार्केटिंग। ये पॉलिसी राज्यों के अंदर थोपा जा रहा है।
ओके सर।
जिसके अंदर जो है वो जो 3 कालो कानून जिसके खिलाफ किसानों ने 384 दिन आंदोलन किया, 740 जानों की कुर्बानी देकर सरकार को उसे वापस लेने पर बाध्य किया, वही कानून का कंटेंट नए तरीके से मोदी जी ला रहे हैं।
माने it has not been implemented. It would be implemented soon. You mean to say this, sir?
They have already started its implementation in the different manner. For example, in the 2006, your Bihar state government has dissolved all the agriculture produce marketing committees.
Okay.
This is the first step.
Okay.
And now they want to all these agriculture marketing activity to hand over in the hands of corporates.
In the hands of corporate. Okay.
That we strongly resist because now new agro business corporations has emerged as class enemies of the farmers.
Okay.
So these corporate agro business corporates, they want to they try to suppress the farmers, they try to loot farmers, they are trying exploiting the farmers in by every means, by collapsing the prices, by different means, even rejecting. They want to take over the lands of farmers with contract farming acts.
Okay.
They want to control.
But sir, I'm sorry to interrupt in between, but our farmers are not aware of this policy, sir.
So that's why our Kisan Sabha is mobilizing farmers. And the current scenario is that Punjab, where our farmers and Sanyukta Kisan Morcha led a vibrant agitation. Because of that, the Punjab Assembly has resolved to reject this policy.
Okay.
The Kerala government has also resolved to reject this policy.
Yeah, but Bihar farmers are not aware of this policy.
Bihar farmers, we have to take up this challenge.
Okay.
And that decisions we will take up in this our state conference.
But sir, how you are predicting that this law would be, this kanoon would be implemented? How you are predicting?
No, this is the policy, and the center is pressurizing to change the laws of the state government. See, first agriculture marketing is a subject, state subject.
Okay.
But what should be the acts and what should be the content of that act, that has been pressurized by the union government.
Okay.
That is the interference in the federal list of subjects.
Okay.
That is first thing.
Okay, sir.
Another issue is that state-specific needs that are not identified in that, and they want to introduce price guarantee scheme, price guarantee insurance, derivative market. Say, so all these are finance instigated, and that will benefit those investors.
Okay.
That will not benefit to the farmers. That is clear. So third is everything is decided by the union government.
First,
So,
MSP minimum support price.
that concept will be completely dissolved with this. That is the thing. So the basic danger is that what the union government assured that they will give the legal guarantee of minimum support price based as per Swaminathan Commission
Okay.
formula,
Okay.
C2 plus 50%.
Okay,
But
sir.
now they have they are trying to dissolve the basic concept of MSP.
Okay.
That is the major.
Thank you,
challenge.
sir.
Okay.
Sir, what's your good name and you are from, sir?
Rahul Venkaya,
Yeah.
General Secretary, All India Kisan Sabha.
Okay, sir.
Our demand is now, first demand, all farmers getting minimum support price, profitable price to the farmers. That is, according to Dr. Swaminathan Commission, C2 plus 50. Now we are getting very low price, 3,300.
Okay.
We are asking 3,300. For remaining amount, our Kerala government 7,300.
Okay.
We are asking 3,300. For remaining amount, our Kerala government 760 rupees per bonus they given to the farmers in Kerala.
Okay.
And other states also in Telangana, Revant Reddy government 500 rupees given to bonus to that MSP. And other Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan and Jharkhand, that states also given some amounts, 50 rupees, 60 rupees, 150
Your
rupees.
sir, good name once again. Good name.
I'm Rahul Venkaya.
Okay. And the first agenda is this.
Yes.
The next what is your next demand?
Second demand is loan waivering.
Loan waivering.
Loan waivering.
Okay.
Our Kisans are they are getting loans, they are not repay. That's why they are in under the loans. All in Narendra Modi government, 4 lakh farmers are suicide in this period.
Okay.
For day, 31 farmers are suicide.
Loan waivering is another issue.
Second
issue. And third one is
that's why the Kerala government given the loan waivering in Kerala. Third is Bijli bill वापस करना.
Bijli bill.
Bill,
Okay.
bill. That current bill also we have to वापस करना. These 4 demands we are all over India. We are taking agitation throughout the country.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir.